Hello! Today I'm going to talk about investments for beginners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed about the many different types of investments that there are out there, or just scared of making the wrong choice, well, you're not alone. Investing can be scary, it can seem scary, especially if you're just starting out. But don't worry, I'm here to simplify things and to guide you through the basics of making your money work for you. So whether you're looking into stocks, bonds, real estate, or any other type of investment, this video can serve as your resource, and you can always come back to it to review anything that I covered that you may want to look at again. So let's start with the purpose of investing. Why should we invest? Well, the purpose of investing is for growth. And why is growth necessary? Well, for example, inflation. We all saw what happened recently, right? Inflation is constantly eroding the value of your savings. And so what this means is that the money that you save today is going to be worth less or buy less in the future. So investing allows you to buy assets today that are expected to be worth more in the future, thus generating more money for you over time. It's all about putting your money into opportunities that are going to increase its value. Now let's talk about stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. For example, if you were to invest in Apple, you're investing in the company Apple that makes your iPhone, that makes the Mac computers, etc. And so when the company does well, so do you, through capital appreciation and dividends. So the only thing is that picking individual stocks can be risky, especially for beginners. So that's why many experts recommend starting with index funds, which I'm going to discuss with you in more detail shortly. Index funds are a fantastic way to dive into the stock market, especially for beginners. These funds track specific set of stocks like the S&P 500, allowing you to invest in a wide range of companies all at the same time. So this diversification helps manage risk while still offering the opportunity for wealth accumulation. For most investors, especially those that are just starting out, index funds are a smart and very efficient way to grow your investments. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster, with market volatility leading you to fear of losing money. It's so important to understand that ups and downs are part of the investing journey. Keeping a long-term perspective and not reacting impulsively to short-term market fluctuations are key to successful investing. Patience and resilience can turn these fears into a powerful driving force behind your investment strategy. Let's talk about a different type of investment. This is beyond the traditional type of investment, and this is what we call fast lane investing. This involves investing in yourself, be it through education, self-growth, acquiring new skills, or even starting your own business. The potential returns from these personal investments, investing in yourself, can far exceed those from the stock market in so many ways. And they offer both financial rewards and personal satisfaction. Make sure that you also invest in yourself. And so there you have it, a beginner's guide to making your money work for you through investing. Remember that everyone's financial journey is unique, and starting is the most important step. Take that first step and don't wait. Do it now, because compounding is powerful. The sooner you start, the better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Happy investing!